Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my last video, I was telling you that even though Bitcoin has broken down the support of the rising wedge pattern and confirming the breakdown by retesting the previous support of the pattern as a resistance, but the oscillators are not supporting the breakdown, and we're not having the sufficient volume that can confirm the breakdown. Right now you can see that we are again moving above this resistance, the support of this rising wedge pattern, and also this support of $39,500 as well. And in today's video we will take a look whether this move will be continued to the upside or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me recall this very big harmonic bullish reversal Cypher pattern that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, and I told them that this is a very big potential reversal zone of the Bitcoin that is starting from $36,100 and goes to $28,800. And I have been sharing this pattern with you as well in my previous videos, and our sell targets were from $46,300 and goes to $57,167. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well up to $48,189, and during this move we have also broken out a very big down channel as well. We were moving inside this down channel from the month of October. Here we have broken out the resistance on 4th of Feb, and after breaking out this resistance, you can see that we are stuck inside this rising wedge pattern. We had a nice buying volume here. We had another nice buying volume here after getting bounced by this support, and also tested the resistance of this channel as well. And again we had a nice buying volume here. The price line again reached the resistance but could not break it out, and when we drop here, since then we are not having sufficient buying volume like we had here and here and here. Therefore the price line is still moving at the support, and you can see that we are having some very weak follow through of the buying volume. But as soon as the powerful buying volume will be entered the market, we can expect another rally to the upside, that and after that rally the Bitcoin can make another powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. By the way, this is very important support, and if we dig out some more important support and resistance on the immediate short term, very short term, on the hourly time frame chart, then we can see that here we have another resistance at $40,650, and you can see that we have a rejection here on 26th of April for several hours, and then we had rejection here. And before that, this level was breaking as a resistance here, as a support here, and as a resistance here back in from 15 Feb 2022 to 15 April to 17 April. And even before that, on 12th of April, this level has been breaking as resistance on the short term, on the hourly time frame chart. And we have an immediate support here at $39,500 that we were also watching here as well, and you can see that it is breaking as a nice resistance here, support here, and support here, and here as well. And even on the daily time frame, we can see that for the very long term, it has been breaking as a nice support here, and here, and here, and here it was breaking as a resistance. Therefore it is a very nice support, and we need to be above this support of $39,500. And if we once again take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that here price line has formed this lower than previous low, and stochastic formed higher low than previous low, and even RSI formed higher low than previous low. So there is a still bullish divergence on the daily time frame chart. Therefore we can expect that soon price line can start this move to the upside to make another attempt to break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. So next few hours are really very important. We are still having the bullish divergence on this chart. Therefore I was telling you that even though we are breaking down and it was confirming, retesting the previous support as a resistance, but we have a bullish divergence there. Therefore it can be a bear trap, and you can see that the price line has recovered back. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.